my chair. I can't even put my chair up now.
Get up. Come on. Hey. Hey. Come here, Duke.
Look at you. Got no shoe.
Come here, Duke.
You are now tuned into Flyroy, the trend setter. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Your boy Flyroy back with another video, man. Which one I'm gonna turn the camera? We're gonna lean it like this, man.
Can you see me?
And you see I got my homegirl in the back. Now go and give a shout out so they can go over there and go over to your channel.
This is Tammy of Curves in the Streets with my homeboy Flyroy, the trendsetter.
Y'all see it, man. So she just tapped me in with her new calendar, man.
Get your confidence calendar.
Yes, sir.
Happy New Year.
So tell them where they can really find you at. Should they go on like YouTube or should they go like on Instagram? Should they go where?
I'm on all social media. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Curves in the Streets.
Y'all hear it, man. Curves in the Streets, man. Y'all stay tuned, man, and tap in. Let's get it.
Bye.
Yes, sir. So, man, look, man. We had Curve in the Streets pull up on us, man. She gave us her new calendar. And you know what I'm saying? I had to take my glasses off. Hey, if you're ever somewhere and somebody asks you, like, hey, do you want me to, can I take your glasses off so I can put this stuff on it to keep it from fogging up? Do it. I wish I would have done it. You know what I'm saying? If I see dude ever again, if he ever see me and I got some glasses, you know, I got a lot of glasses, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to have my mans put that stuff, whatever he puts on them, from fogging up, man. But, man, I'm going to let y'all see this calendar, man. So Curve in the Streets pull up on him, man. I just flipped the back of it up, and they got a very nice pin in the back, man. It's hot. This is legendary, man. I'm going to spin this camera around, let y'all check it out, man. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. Y'all see it, man. So you see that pin in there, man? Big pin with the diamond on it, man. This is her calendar. Curves in the Streets. Thank you for your support. You know what I'm saying? You keep flipping it around. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. You see the calendar. Happy New Year. You know what I'm saying? 2023 confidence calendar. Oh boy, y'all see that, man? That's hot. You know what I'm saying? Confidence calendar. Y'all make sure y'all tap into Curves in the Streets, man. Y'all see that, man. So also I got something going on. So today, letting y'all know I got my first customer today that I'm doing a airport drop-offs. I do drop-offs and pickups. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. We're gonna put this big Denali to work. You know what I'm saying? Like families gotta go. They always, oh, it's not enough room and all that. We got big room back here, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel. And I'm gonna tell y'all how it worked out at the end with the new customer and everything. And also with my new thing I got going on. I'm only doing it on the weekends. So weekends I'm doing airport drop-offs, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. Sir, top of the morning, man. It's your boy back with another video. Back with another video. So today, y'all, we got some snow coming down, and I do a couple places, and they want their place salted. You know what I'm saying? Which is a very good thing to do before, you know what I'm saying, it get real bad. because the salt really not really going to go anywhere. It's still going to stay there. So that's where I'm headed to right now. Also, guys, I got one of my my employees working with me today. You know what I'm saying? One of my first employees that I hired, you know what I'm saying, to work with me. Y'all want to check it out and see who it is? Bam! Y'all see employee Jada in the back. You know what I'm saying? Every time that I am doing some work in the truck or something like that, that does not require me to do, you know, extremely amount of work and stuff like that, where I can take the babies with me, I do it so they can see what type of stuff they daddy be doing. And they also like to ride around watching TV. You know what I'm saying? Perfect time for them to go to sleep is in the car. So I got Jada with me. The rest of the Crumb Snatchers are at home playing in the Crumb Snatchers Playlist. So as of right now, me and Jada, we getting to it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video, man. Let's get it. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and y'all stay tuned. Y'all see it, man. So we just creeping down the block. You know what I'm saying? We creeping down the block, creeping down the block.